This video is sponsored by Musu. Normally, I know what's coming, or at least the general order of what's possibly arriving on my doorstep. But this arrived just a few moments ago, and I'm not too sure which machine it actually is. So let's open it up and find out. And I don't see any obvious indication of what it could be. It doesn't say anywhere. So I know it could be one of two things, and I need to find out what those things are. Okay, so which one is it? Ah, it's this one. Ta-da! That out of the way. This is the GeeMo, and it's a cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. It's a Model X4, but it does something that very few handheld vacuum cleaners do. And you'll see that in a little bit. So let's get this open and check out this lightweight cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. Oop. Nothing like turning it on while it's still in the box. Get out all the accessories here. And I think that's, yes, hopefully that should be it. Leave that over to the side. Got some accessories. Got the manual on the other side. Pretty much it there. And this should be hopefully a charger. Okay, there's the main unit, obviously. That's pretty sharp looking. This looks like some type of a screen filter. It's fabric. Here is, and this is what makes this unit a little unusual, which is why I actually requested to review this. So how many of these type of vacuum cleaners have accessories, and you've got a soft rubber tip rather than hard plastic, and you've got, let's see, one of these convertible dusting brushes. Reminds me of a dusting brush for another brand, but obviously it's a totally different type of shape. And then you have this long crevice tool, and this is a bendable rubber, and this is very, very soft, flexible bendable rubber. This is a typical just hard plastic right here, combination dusting brush, and this is that's hard plastic. These two, the tips, are not, and there's a reason for that. You got a nice little surround here on this filter, and now I'm going to have to go and look up, make sure I'm pronouncing this right. I think it's GeeMo. I don't think it's GeeMo. I think it's GeeMo, so I hope I get that right. And this should just come apart in two simple pieces. So here's where you would have a replaceable, washable filter. See, you've got a spare one that they give you. And then I think you can pull this interior assembly out for washing. Gotta wiggle it, kind of a tight fit. Yep. So you can pretty much completely take this apart. Looking here, you just have a motor. You've got the handle, obviously. let's take a closer look at the charging brick. Let's see, it says output 18 volts, 400 milliamps. You've got that. And I think these are all the pieces. Okay, so what makes this so different than other typical handheld vacs? Well, guess what? With this, you can pick up water, or you can pick up wet spills. And that is, I think, pretty helpful, because how many times do you have, let's see if I get this back in right, do you have something to go and pick up, and let's see if I get this back in right, it's damp, or frankly, it's just wet. Let's see, I've got to push that in there. Okay, there we go. That's a ticket. And you end up vacuuming up something, right, with your vacuum, any type of vacuum. Doesn't have to be a handheld, but it could be a handheld. And then you know what? It actually makes the inside moldy, smelly. It's terrible, and it just clogs because it's not really meant for water or spills. So this one is. So how about we do some pickup tests? I'm just dying to try this GeeMo out. So I have some tea, some iced tea. A lot of iced tea. Make sure you can see that. So let's see what happens. Move you a little bit. I didn't know which way the spill was going to go. And I do have this, if that will help, this little rubber squeegee. So, hold it upright, don't tilt it backwards, and let's see what happens. Full charge. So if I wanted to use this, let's see if I can put that in there. See if it makes any difference. It's slightly damp here. Not bad. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos featuring this GeeMo X4.